Hello, today we are going to discuss Geography Class 8, Chapter 6 Human Resources. All of you know, people are the greatest resource of any nation, and human resource is the ultimate resource, and they are not equally distributed over the world. They differ in their educational levels, age, sex, their numbers, characteristics also keep changing. Now we will talk about the distribution of population. The way in which people are spread across the earth's surface is known as the pattern of population distribution. Okay, and more than 90% of the world population lives in about 30% of the land surface, and all of you know 60% of the world's people stay in just 10 countries. All of them have more than 100 million people. Now we will talk about density of population. All of you know the definition of density of population. Population density is the number of people living in a unit area of the earth's surface. And the average density of the population in the whole world is 51 persons per square kilometer. And South Central Asia has the highest density of population. Now we will talk about the factor affecting distribution of population. There are many factors which affect the distribution of population. Among them, the geographical factor. First of all, topography. Second, climate. Third, soil. Fourth, water. Fifth, mineral. And all of you know, if the soil is fertile, it provides suitable land for agriculture as well as for settlement. So you will see near the fertile soil and plain land, densely populated area, and water is most important for all of us, and the most important is the fresh water, and we all need water for every purposes. Without water we cannot live. So there should be water facility, there should be good climate, or you can say favorable climate, neither too hot nor too cold, and there should be plain land, and mineral should be there. And now we will talk about the social, cultural, economic factors. Social factors like area of better housing, education, health facilities are more densely populated. And cultural factor, places with religion or cultural significance attract people. Economic factor, industrial areas provide employment opportunities. Large number of people are attracted to these areas. Now we will talk about the population change. Actually, the population change refers to change in the number of people during a specific time. And as you know, change is the law of nature. So everything goes changing. Now we will talk about the birth rate, death rate, and migration, which is the main cause of population change. Births are usually measured using the birth rate, the number of live birth per 1,000 people, that is birth rate, and number of death per 1,000 people, that is death rate. And now we will talk about the migration. It is the movement of people in and out of an area. Okay. Births and deaths are the natural causes of population change, and the difference between the birth rate and the death rate of a country is called the natural growth rate. And there are two types of migration: immigration, emigration. And immigrants are people who leave a country. Immigrants are those who arrive in a country. Okay. Now, patterns of population change. In country like United Kingdom, population growth is slowing because of both low death and low birth rates. And rates of population growth vary across the world. The world's total population is rising rapidly. Not all countries are experiencing this growth. Kenya have high population growth rate. They have both high birth rates and death rates. Now we will talk about the composition of population. When we talk about the population composition, it helps us to know how many are males or female in which age group. Either they are educated or not educated. Okay. All of you know the shape of the population pyramid tells the story of the people living in that particular country. The number of children below 15 years shown at the bottom reflects the level of birth. Size of the top shows the numbers of aged people above 65 years and reflects the number of death. The population pyramid also tells us how many dependents there are in a country. There are two groups of dependent, young and old. Okay. In country like Japan, low birth rates make the pyramid narrow at the base. Decreased death rate allow number of people to reach old age. And when you see the pyramid of population, if there is more people in 0 to 15 year and above 65 years, it means it shows the dependency rate is more. If the young people are more and the children and old age people are less, it means working people are more and independent peoples are there. Okay, thank you very much.